gonna be installing this. I don't know how to do this. Never done this. But you know what? We're gonna fix it. We're gonna make it good. We also got courtesy door light inside model. Let's see how these bad boys look. Can you see them? No, you cannot see it. But they work. Also, we're gonna put this new light on the side. Blacked out, one strip. Make the car look better. Also don't know how to put these, but we'll learn. First, we're gonna do the door ones. Let's get it. So, I had to look this up on YouTube. You know, what they told me, you need batteries. Check. And then, you gotta check where you want it. Look at that. So me, I'm gonna put it right here. Let's see how this goes.
Great. There you go.
I already put my 3M tape. We just gotta peel it off on the other side. Look at that, beautiful. Now you gotta find a way to put it, because it has to touch a magnet that will trigger the sensor for it to turn on and off. So, put it right here. There we go. Oh, it won't stick. Why didn't it stick? Alright, look. Don't stop rolling, bro. Don't stop rolling. So I guess YouTube is wrong. Man, this 3M tape don't work. Still works. Let's try this again. I guess you gotta hold it. Alright, this 3M tape don't work, so I'm gonna have to peel this off. Yeah, bro, but look, it's thick. Wow. I even cleaned this area. Alright. Man, tape 2. I think I had some 3M tape laying around, because it did not want to work. Damn, kind of messed up again. I'm gonna put just 2 strips. Make sure you got them cooking scissors. They cut anything. Alright. Let's peel this off. Bro, this thing's peeling off too. What the hell?
6.5 hours later.
I already installed it. See? Plug and play. Easy work, light work. And now, you gotta put the magnet. This magnet right here, it comes with 3M tape already. Just make sure when you close the door, it aligns anywhere, because the magnet is the one that's gonna activate it and deactivate it. Look. Man, it ain't working. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Nice. I turn off, bro. I already put my magnet. I took the measurements, did the equation, did the physics. I did everything. So look at this. And it's on. Can you see it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna leave the door open. So let's do the other one. This is how it looks from the inside. Okay. It doesn't hit, no that. Look. And it turns on. Off. On. Off. Alright, this side's already done since I showed you how to do the other one. It's pretty easy. Look at this. Turned off. And on. Off. On. So I'm gonna be leaving it off because we're gonna have the doors open. start working on the side lights. It's pretty easy, plug and play, like a regular bolt. You know, just put it in there. It should be in there, yeah. Push in there. And then I don't want it to get stuck. But I've seen in videos where the dude was peeling this off and the whole headlight came off. You ain't seen it? Look at that. Oh boy. Dang. That is a must. That's what the other thing. That is nice. Same thing as this one. Plug and play. Oh, don't drop it. There we go. Put it in there. Let's see. Oh, the hell, bro. Let me know if you can see them. You got the keys? These on Amazon. Wow. Alright, now we're gonna do the back ones. So we're gonna do the back one. For that one, you gotta remove the back light. Just this one, put your hand in there and pop it out. So let's go. Ooh. Let's not lose that. Oh, I think it's dirty. Oh, I see it. Alright, see it? You guys, you can see it like right there. So it's pretty easy. So basically, I pushed it out. It did crack one of the seals though. So just, there we go. Do the other one. Put that on. And there it is. Same thing, see? It broke. But that doesn't matter. We got new ones. Oh damn, bro! You've been chewing my wires. I have to put some tape. So I put some electrical tape because it look like these rats be chewing my cables, man. But before I push it in there, we're just gonna check if it works. And now I'm gonna have to call an electrician to come fix it. Look at that. There we go. Turn it on. Wait, can you do it with the key? Whoops. No, you can't see. What about the front? No, let's turn it on. 5 minutes cold start. That is sexy. Golly. Gotta be careful, you don't want to crack it. Get in there. There you go. This is it for this video. Next video, we're going to be installing these. What? Look at the apple.